Good afternoon, all. Am I audible and the screen is visible or not? Just confirm quickly in the chat box. Okay, fine. Okay. So in last lecture, what we have seen? Anyone? Last lecture, we have started with what? Multiple integration, right? And we have seen the how it is supposed to be solved, right? Some steps are there that we have seen. Now, today we are going to start a new topic in that one. That is what? A change of order of integration. Okay, yes, multiple integration. Fine. So in that one, what is change of order of integration? So the name itself tells you whatever the integration order is given, we are going to change it. Either it will be in from dx to dy, or first if it will be with respect to y, then we are going to do it as a x. In that one, type 1 and 2 are that. So we'll see the example of each one. Fine. So change of order of equation, that is integration. So in that one, first, sometimes the evaluation of double integration, right? It becomes easier by changing the order, right? So whatever order it is given in that. So if you change the order, it will be easy to evaluate the integration. So that is the main purpose of changing the order of integration, right? The next one is what? To change the order of integration, first the steps are what? We are supposed to draw the region of integration with the help of the given limit. So in that one, what? You will be given a limit only, right? That means some integration is given to you, suppose 0 to 1, for example, and 0 to root x. And here some function is there, xy dy dx. Fine. So using this limits, you are supposed to draw what? A region. Okay. Then draw a vertical or horizontal strip as per the required order of integration. That means what? From the given integration, you can decide either it's given a vertical strip or a horizontal, that we will see. After that, if we are supposed to change the order of integration, then obviously the strip is also supposed to be changed. So we need to change the strip, and again, the limits are also supposed to be changed, right? So that is called what? Change of order of integration. Whatever the thing is given to you, from that limits, you are supposed to first draw the region. After that, as per the requirement, okay, you are supposed to draw the another strip, and then you are supposed to decide the limits, new limits. Okay, so that is the sequence of this one. It will be clear to you when we'll solve some examples. So let's start with the example. First is what? Change the order of integration of 0 to infinity x to infinity fxy dx dy. So in that one, see, two types, that means what? Just a little bit difference is there. Type 1 is what? You will be asked in this way. Change the order of integration and one integration is given. Type 2, that means what? Change the order of integration and then evaluate. Okay, so you have to find out the answer of that also. So that is only the difference, right? Fine. Type 1 and type 2. In type 2, you need to evaluate it. That's it. Okay. Now, the example is given in which way? 0 to infinity. Now, can anyone tell me what is the dependency of inner limit? See, the inner limit are in terms of x and infinity. So, what we can say from that inner limit? Anyone? Yes, just write down into the chat box. No, inner limit is depend upon x. Anyone we can't say, right? This is what? Inner limit. That will be depend upon what? X. So first you need to do the integration with respect to y. That is the meaning that we have seen yesterday, right? Okay. So that is the thing. Yes, dy. Okay, many have written it's dy. So you can see that it is depend upon x. So we can say that the function is integrated first with respect to y and then with respect to x. So whatever the order is given, that is not correct one. So we have written what? The correct form of integral is what? fxy dy dx. You can see here, here it is dx dy, now dy dx, right? Now the limits of what? See, the first limit is depend upon x. So I told you whenever it depend upon the x, that means it is the limit of y that we have discussed in a previous lecture. So we can say that what? The y limits are from x to infinity. Y limit is x to infinity and our x limit is 0 to infinity. So x 0 to infinity. Fine. Now how we'll decide that? Whatever the limits are given, from that either it will be a horizontal strip or a vertical strip. So that we are going to see. First step is what? First step is draw the region. Okay. So that is, you can see that this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now, see the y equal to x and y equal to infinity. So whenever inner limit, it depend upon x, that are the limit of what? Y. And the meaning is what? No, tomorrow we are going to see one topic. So the whatever the syllabus we are going to cover in last lecture, that is also to be there, right? Limits of y equal to x to y equal to infinity along with the what? Vertical strip. That means whenever it will be given a strip, okay, that means what? Not strip, a limit in terms of y, so that is always vertical strip. And if it is limit depend upon what? Reverse of that, that means y. So it is the limit of x, so at that time it would be what? Horizontal strip. Fine. So how we decide that? See, our vertical strip will be start from y equal to x and goes up to y equal to infinity. That is the meaning of this. So this we will consider as a one line, which y equal to x. Fine. From that limit itself will decide how or which type of region is supposed to be there. Fine. So this is y equal to x. This is origin. So 0, 0. So this is one line. And another line is what? Y equal to infinity. So this line is what? This is y-axis. So this is infinity. So we can say our region is what? Our region is supposed to be this. And that is supposed to be infinity, right? Because y equal to infinity. So for example, this is our region. This is up to infinity, fine? So what? Our y equal to x. So vertical strip is supposed to be there. It will start from what? Sorry. It will start from a y equal to x. And it will goes up to what? Y equal to infinity. So that is our y tends to infinity. Fine. So this is my vertical strip AB. Fine. From the limit itself, we are supposed to draw in this way. So we can say what? This is origin is a what? Intersection point of what? Y equal to infinity and y equal to x. This origin is this one. And our bounded region is what? It will be bounded by what? Y equal to infinity and y equal to x. Now, so this is the thing, right? The region is bounded by what? Y equal to x and x equal to 0. Here the points of intersection is only what? Origin. Now to change the order of integration, what we need to do? Before that it is with respect to y. So now we need to change it with respect to what? X. So to do that we need to draw what? Horizontal line. So just we are drawing this. Our line is supposed to be same. That is y equal to x. Fine. This is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. Now what? Horizontal strip we are supposed to draw. So I'll draw a horizontal strip. So you can see that strip will be start from what? This is parallel to x-axis. Suppose this is my AB strip. It is parallel to x-axis. It will be start from what? It will be start from x equal to 0 and terminates on this B point. Terminate on y equal to x. So the important part of this topic is this only. Just you need to decide from where your strip is started and on which, either it may be any line or a parabola, whatever the curve, it's supposed to be ended. So this you can see, right? It will start from x equal to 0 and it will be end on what? Y equal to x. So obviously, what are the limits, right? What are the limits? Can anyone tell me the limits of x? Anyone? And y? What can be the limits of x and y? This is my straight. It will be start from x equal to 0. So obviously it is what? X equal to 0. And it will end on what? Y equal to x. So 0 to x equal to y. See, whatever strips you are going to do, right, or you are going to consider, according to, see, this is horizontal strip. So always write the limit for x first. And if you are having vertical strip, always write down the limit for what? Y. Okay, fine. So now y equal to 0. Sorry, y. Now limit for y is what? It will start from this one origin and it will move. This horizontal line will move from what? 0 to y equal to infinity, right? So y equal to infinity. So our limits are this. See, here it is written, limit of x is this, x equal to 0 to x equal to y, and y equal to 0 to y equal to infinity. Fine. Now, the change of order of integration. Fine. That means what? This is given. Now, if we are supposed to change the order of integration, the limits are supposed to be changed. So you can see here, the limits are in terms of what? X equal to 0 to x equal to y. So that we have written here. Because see, always remember whatever the inner limits are that is for the strip. And if that is for the x, so always it is a horizontal strip. And if the limits are in terms of y, for the inner limit, always go for what? A vertical strip. So that is the hint for it. Or in that way, you can remember easily. Fine. So after changing the order of the integration, this is the final one. Is there any doubt how we are going to do? We are not going to evaluate it because here only fxy and it is of type 1. Fine. Okay. Second example. Second example is what? Change the order of integration. Integration minus a to a, 0 to y square by a, fxy dx dy. Now you can see the inner limits are depend upon what? Inner limits are depend upon y. So first the integration should be with x, with respect to x and then y. So it is given only. So no need to write down the correct format. Fine. Okay. Now we can say what? This is the correct one only, right? So no need to write this step also. That is fine. Now the limits are what? X equal to, see, it is what? Depend upon y. Okay. So that limits are of what? X. See here. Now x equal to 0, reverse case of that one. And x equal to what? Y square by a. So this is the form of, you can say, y square equal to xa. Something like of what? A parabola, right? So why we are going for that? Because we need to draw the region. From the limit, we need to decide what? Our region. And y equal to minus a and a. That is given. Fine. So we'll start drawing the region of this one. This is my x, this is y. Now first is y square equal to ax. Okay, y square equal to ax. So we'll draw a parabola, that is y square equal to ax. Now what? Another x equal to 0. So that is this line, x equal to 0. Now the another one is what? Y equal to minus a. So that is obviously here y equal to minus a. And the another one is y equal to a. So that is this line. Fine. Okay. Now the points are which one? The next step is what? Just first draw the diagram. So this is my region. Okay. This region is given. Two regions are there. Now what is supposed to be there? you need to decide a point of intersection. And region is bounded. Region is bounded with which? One parabola, y equal to a and y equal to minus a. So here it is written, the region is bounded with what? Y equal to ax and y equal to minus a and y equal to a. Now the intersection point. So you can see that the intersection points are which one? Suppose I'll give the name of the points. So that is, just a minute. The points are here S, for example, R, P and Q. P, Q, R, S. Okay. So we are supposed to find out that intersection point. Okay. So how we are supposed to find? Okay, I'll just redraw here also, so that will be easy for you to understand. This is our parabola, y square equal to ax, right? This is y equal to a, y equal to minus a. This is p, q, r, s. We need to find out these points, right? Y equal to minus a. Okay. Now, the points, intersection points of what? Y square equal to ax and y equal to minus a. So this point, right? This point. Y square equal to ax and y equal to minus a. So this point. So you can see that y square equal to ax. And this line is what? This line is, you can say x equal to a. From this equation, you can say what? X equal to a and y equal to minus a, that is given. So our points are what? A minus a. Same way for this, which y square equal to ax and y equal to a. So just x equal to a it is given. So now what? Q equal to AA. Yes, correct one, right? Someone has written in the chat box. So it is nothing but what? AA. So my intersection points are this, R and Q, that is AA and A minus A. Now, our region is bounded with this one, fine. Now, and we will be having which strip? The horizontal strip. It is given, right? Now, what? We need to change the order of equation. Sorry, integration. We need to change the order of integration. So first we need to do with respect to what? Y. So if you want to do first with respect to y, so what? You need to go for the vertical strip. Horizontal is already given, but you need to go for what? A vertical strip. So for that, how we are going to do? And see, we are having two regions. You can see that this is our origin. So one is OPQ, another is what? ORS. Two region you are having. So two different strip you need to draw, right? ORS and OPQ. So this way again will, this is my parabola. This is y equal to minus a, minus a here, and here somewhere y equal to a. This is my O point. This is P. This is Q. This is y axis. This is x. This is y square equal to ax. Now R and S. These points we are having a minus a. This is a. So now these two regions are there. So what I need to do now? I need to draw the vertical strip in each region. So here I'll draw somewhere around this. This is my vertical strip. And in this region, this is my vertical strip. So I'll give the name what? Here I'll give the name AB. Here I'll give the name AB. Here I'll give the name what? CD. Fine. Here I'll give the name what? CD. So now what? The next step is what? To find out the limits. The next step is what? To find out the limit for each intersection. So first intersection is this, right? So I'll find out this, region. So I'll find out for that one. That is what? Between, we can say, okay, the what? Limit. So first I'll find for what? ORS. The region what? ORS. So for that, you can see the vertical strip is start from which line? Y equal to minus a. And it will be end on which curve? Y square equal to ax. So always vertical strips. So write down y first. Y equal to minus a to y equal to under root ax. You can see y equal to a start from y equal to minus a and it will end on which y square equal to ax. So y equal to root ax. Now here it will be in which quadrant? Fourth one. So obviously it should be what? Minus. Fine. And x will be start from what? Leftmost, 0. And it will be end on what? X equal to a. Now in the another region, that is which one? OPQ. So in OPQ, our strip will be start from what? Which curve? Right? C point. It start from what? Y square equal to ax. So here the y will be start from root ax. See the reverse of this case. Okay. So always remember from vertical strip or a horizontal strip, from where it will be start and to where it terminates. So that is the important point, right? Y equal to a. Now x. So x is from 0 to a, right? Any doubt in limit? Anyone? Okay. So in next slide, it is written only the ORS region minus A2 that we have calculated, right? But it is written here. Now minus sign is that because it is in the fourth quadrant. Now after changing it, so this is given. Now we have changed it, right? And after changing whatever, see, we are having two regions. So you know that if one region is divided into two, so always it will be what? Addition will be used and between two regions. Fine. Between two region, you need to do what? Addition. So this is my ORS region and this is my OPQ region. So you need to write down in this way. Fine. Okay. Any doubt? Okay. Now third question, or we can say these are the what? Type 1. Only what? Just change the order of integration. The next it may be asked what? You can see here change the order of integration and evaluate. So whenever evaluate is there, that means it is of type 2. Fine, it is of type 2. The integration is given is what? 0 to infinity, x to infinity, e raised to y by y dy dx. So you can see that the inner limit will depend upon what? Inner limit is depend upon x. So first it with respect to y and then it respect to x. So that is given. Now we need to change the order. So what? The inner limit must be depend upon what? Y. Then and then we can say that we have changed the order of integration. Fine. So then integration first with respect to what? Sorry, with respect to what? X and then y. Fine. Now see, here the limits are inner limits is given in terms of x. So always it is what? Y limit. So y equal to x and y equal to infinity. So I told you whenever this kind of thing, it is what? Vertical strip. Same like a example 1 of type 1. Now we'll try to draw the graph for that regions x, y. Now you can see that y equal to x. Same like a first question, example 1, y equal to x. And another is y equal to infinity. So we have to say that this is the region, infinite, right? We consider up to this only, y equal to infinite. Now what? The whole vertical strip is supposed to be there. So this is vertical strip. You can see this vertical strip, that is AB. Fine. So now what? The vertical strip A, B, A will start from y equal to x to B. So it is given. X equal to 0 to, so this is my origin, right? So the intersection of this is what? Origin only. The intersection of our region is what? The origin only. Now we need to change the order of integration. See, region is bounded by this. The origin is the intersection point. Now to change the order of integration. Now we want to do with respect to x. So when you want to draw do with respect to x, your strip must be what? A horizontal. So now we just write down another. So you need to draw a two figure in this type of question, right? First, what is it is given and what should be there after changing the order. So see, this is my region. Okay, now I'll draw what? Instead of a vertical, I'll draw the horizontal strip. You can see this. This is my horizontal strip, AB. Fine? AB. This is my horizontal. Now next thing is what? We need to decide the limits. We need to decide the limit. So, yes, x, y, 2x, right? So it is horizontal. So we are writing x first. So see the x, your strip will be start from which line? This line. And this line is what? X equal to 0. So here I'll write what? X equal to 0. Your last strip is ended on which line? Y equal to x. So x equal to y. Simple, right? Now for y. So y, this is my origin. It will start from 0, same as a first example, and it will goes up to infinite. You have to move this horizontal strip into vertical direction, right? So y equal to 0 to y equal to infinity. Any doubt in this limit? Fine. So what? We now have our new limits. So you can see here it is written, right? Now what? The change of order of integration is now we have written. 0 to in, this is given. Now for us it is this 0 to infinity and this 0 to y and dx dy. So now you need to evaluate this. So compulsory you need to solve this, right? So first with respect to what? Dx. So when you are supposed to take with respect to x, the another variable y is supposed to be constant one. So better it is I'll write down at the outside of first integration, and here you can write what? Dx, right? And then dy. So just I have changed it now. E raised to minus y upon y as it is. This what? This is dx. So 1 dx. So it is x only. The limits are, sorry, I have not written 0 to y. Fine. So limits are 0 to y dy. Now 0 to infinity e raised to minus y upon y. So this is if you put the limits. So y minus 0. So y dy. This y is cancel out. So now I will be having what? Only 0 to infinity e raised to minus y dy. So it will be easy. See, the e raised to minus y. So for e raised to x, compare it with. So minus e raised to minus y, right? 0 to infinity is the limit. So if you apply this limit, so your answer is supposed to be 1. Just e raised to infinity is 0, right? And e raised to minus infinity is supposed to be 0. Okay, so evaluation is that type 2. So you need to evaluate this also. Fine. Okay. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt in how to decide a limit? That is the main thing. Okay, either a horizontal strip, then you are supposed to write what? The x first. If it is a vertical strip, then write down the y first. That is the thing. Okay, just one thing you need to remember. Fine. Okay, one more example of this one of two region. Change the order of integration and evaluate it. The limits are given 0 to 1, x square 2 minus x, xy dx dy. So if this kind of thing is given, so how we are supposed to do it? So see, since inner limit depend upon x, so that you know now, right? So first it should be done with respect to y and then it with respect to x. But here it is not given. So we need to write down it in correct format. Okay. The correct integration is what? 0 to 1, x square to 2 minus x, xy, then dy dx. Here it's a dy, here it's a dx. So just we need to write down correct one. Now you can see that the inner limit is depend upon x. So obviously it is the limit of what? Y. It is what? The limit of y. So y equal to x square. Here it is x is not there. 2. Y equal to 2 minus x. So see it is y, right? Limits. So obviously it is which type of strip? Vertical strip. It is which type of strip? Vertical. And x equal to 0 to 1. So just we will try to draw it. X, y, this is what? Y equal to x square. So it will be here only y equal to x square. Y equal to x square. Now y equal to 2 minus x. So we can say that it is x plus y equal to 2. One line, right? X plus y equal to 2. So suppose it is like this. X plus y equal to 2. This is my origin. Fine. Now this is x equal to 0. You can say now what is the thing? Now you can say this is my region. Which? This. And the intersection points are which one? Intersection point. One intersection point is this P, suppose, and this is another, that is P dash. So our region is what? P O P dash. Okay, you can say like this, and this is obviously this also Q. This is also one intersection point with what? Y axis. Fine. Now the how to decide it. So the region is bounded with what? We can say the region is bounded with y axis, this parabola, and this x plus y equal to 2. Fine. So that is written here. The region is bounded with this. Now it is positive because it's in first quadrant, right? Okay, that is the thing. Now intersection point. Main thing is what? Intersection point. So how to decide that? First intersection point with x plus y equal to 2 and y equal to x square. X plus y equal to 2, and so two intersection point P and P dash of what? Y equal to x square and the line x plus y equal to 2. So P and P dash. So now we know that y equal to x square. Another is what? Another is we have just write x plus y equal to 2 in this equation, put y equal to x square. So you will be having the point what? X equal to 1 and minus 2. According to that, you will get y equal to what? 1 and 4. Just put the x value here. So you will get y 1 and 4. So we can say that our intersection points are what? 1, 1 and minus 2, 4. So that we can write now here. That is, just a minute, 1, 1 and 2, minus 2 and 4. Fine. Now the strip is what here? Initially it is vertical because y is given first. This is AB. Fine. Now to change the order of integration, we have to do what? We have to draw a horizontal strip. We have to draw what? Horizontal strip. So now you can see here, if I am going to draw the horizontal strip. So if I'll draw here horizontal strip, so it is supposed to be end at this point. This type of example we have seen in last lecture. And if so, what are it's required? I need to divide this into two regions. So what I'll do? I'll divide it into the two region. How? At this intersection point. And I have given one name to that, that is R. And then I'll draw two strips. So that is the important one, right? Because here there is a point intersection at that your strip is, your region is supposed to be divided. So see, it is written here. To change the order of integration, we need to divide it into two regions, OPR and RPQ. Fine, OPR and RPQ. Just I redrawn here also, so we can decide it easily. This is okay. This just understand this. Now this is, now you can say this part I'm talking about. It is two region Q R, sorry, Q R P, and this is O. Now I'll draw the strip, two strip. Here one strip and another strip is here. Fine. So this strip is CD and this is AB. So according to that, I need to decide, right? OPR. First region is which one? OPNR, this region. In that one, AB is parallel to x-axis. Start from y-axis. You can see A will be start from what? Y-axis. And B will be, B is end on which? The parabola, that is x square equal to y. So just put the value. So from that, what you can say? the x equal to 0, it will start, and here x equal to what? Root y. And y equal to from 0 to 1. Y equal to 0 to 1 because p point is 1, 1. That's why. Why y is 1? Because it will be p1, 1 here, right? So this is the limit in OPR region. Same way you can find out in R, P and Q. This is my Q point, right? R, P and Q. Draw the CD strip. So same way, see the CD is start from y axis. Same here also, but it will end on which line? X plus y equal to 2. And the above region is end in what? X square equal to y. So here the limits are supposed to be changed. You can see x equal to 0, here also x equal. But here x equal to root y because it will end on parabola. Here x equal to 2 minus y because it will end on a line x plus y equal to 2. So that is the main thing. Y limit is what? It will start from 1 y because p1 1 and it will end up to 2. Fine, because Q point is at that. Okay. Now we have found the limits for each region. So what we can write here? This is given. Now again it will be divided into two parts, right? OPR and RPQ. So first you need to write down for any when suppose here it is for OPR. So this region is OPR. You can see the limit 0 to 1, 0 to root y, 0 to 1, 0 to root y, plus 1 to 2, 0 to 2 minus y, 1 to 2, 0 to 2 minus y, xy dx dy. Now evaluate this. See, this is the type of what? 2, type 2. So you need to evaluate it. See, it is written only, evaluate. So we need to evaluate this. So I have written this, right, on a next page also. Just what? You need to integrate this term. Okay. Now that you are supposed to do it, just take a screenshot of this one. You can, or that is given also in book. It is example number 12, I think, and in type 2, right? So you can refer that also. So just you need to integrate it. Is it required to do the integration here? Anyone? Or you can do yourself? Integration. Just write down into the chat box. Is it required? We will be having 2 minutes. So I'll do that one. Okay, it's not required. Fine, fine. So what? Okay, fine, fine. So you can do. So today we have seen what? Change the order of integration. Important point, right? Now what? Type 1 and type 2. So you can go for that. Just the thing is what? You need to decide either it's the vertical strip is given or horizontal. Whatever is given, you need to just convert into the other one, right? Fine. So in that way you can do it. Now in exam, up to this only syllabus is there. Tomorrow is also a lecture, right? So the meaning is not like that. You are not going to be present in the tomorrow's lecture, right? Today is the last lecture of our that syllabus, right? Change the order of integration. Fine. Now any doubt in the this multiple integration? Any doubt? Either what? A simple double integration is given to you and you need to solve that. Okay. The other one is what? In last also we have seen sketch the diagram. So sometimes it will be asked in that way also. Sketch the given integration. And other one is what? Change the order of integration. So change the order, that means what? If we are supposed to change the order of integration, so easily we can do the integration. That is the main purpose of what? Changing the integration, nothing else, right? Fine. So if any doubt is there, you can message on a telegram. I'll reply. Some student have asked a doubt. I have not still replied, but now from today I'll start to replying them. Okay. Some have taken a screenshot and they have asked for the answer or verify for verification they've asked. So I'll just solve by today onwards, right? Fine. Okay. Thank you. Now you may leave. Okay.